Hello everyone and welcome to Pathology. In this video we're going to give you a behind the scenes look at what it's like to be a resident in pathology, particularly here at St. Paul's Hospital. In case you are unfamiliar, pathology is a branch of medicine that deals with the study and diagnosis of diseases, focusing on the examination of tissues, cells and body fluids. It is a 3-year anatomic pathology training program. This is the reception room where the journey of a specimen begins. Here we receive a wide range of samples from biopsies to body fluids. Each specimen will be labeled and tracked by trained staff. Signed out pathology reports will be dispatched here as well. Welcome to the grossing room. As you may know, St. Paul is one of the largest centers in the country that will have almost grossed 8,000 biopsy cases last year. Residents will have 4 rotations: biopsy, FNAC, hematology and forensic detachment. Biopsy attachment is the busiest. Grossing is Monday to Saturday and we gross 30 cases per day. On average, every resident will have 6 to 7 grossing days per month. Sometimes it might reach up to 7 or 8 based on the number of residents. So year ones are expected to gross around 400 cases by the end of their attachment. R2s, they are expected to gross 1,250 cases, and R3s will gross 1,500 cases. Newbie residents will start grossing after 6 months. In the meantime, they will have interactive lectures and introductory courses on basic histology, tissue processing, FNAC techniques, special staining and grossing principles, and so on. The turnaround time, or TAT, for biopsy results is 2 weeks, for rush cases is 5 days, and for FNAC is 36 hours. Here the resident will take a close naked eye inspection of biopsy samples, characterizing everything to details with the help of surgical grossing manuals. Tissues will be sliced and submitted to labeled cassettes and inserted into a formalin container. Then they will be ready to go for further processing. This particular room you see is for tissue embedding, sectioning and staining, which will be carried out by trained histotechnicians. Finished blocks will be returned back to the archive where they will be stored permanently. Once your slides are prepared, properly labeled and collected, then you'll take your batch and enjoy the adventures of Microscopic World. This is where our team of residents will do their FNA, which is a minimally invasive procedure that allows us to collect cells from tumors or palpable swellings. Slides will be smeared, prepared, and then finally will be interpreted. We have a 1-month hematology attachment every year as well. This is the sign-out room. Once residents have evaluated their slides, the senior pathologist will review and verify, also known as sign out, the diagnosis made by the attendees. Teaching activities are primarily conducted via sign-out processes, journal clubs and case presentations every Monday at 9 a.m. We have also slide sessions every Wednesday. Slide session is a weekly gathering of our departments, pathologists and residents where we review and discuss challenging and rare cases. We have a mini pathology library that provides our team with access to a wide range of resources from classics to up-to-date pathology and forensics textbooks. And as you can see, residents in their own natural habitats. As a resident in pathology department, I can tell you that it is a challenging and demanding field. We are constantly learning new things, reading and studying to stay up to date on the latest developments in the field. We spend most of our weekends in the workplace, studying and working on cases. We don't have night duties, but we still have to put a lot of time and effort. We often stay late at night to finish up our work, whether it is reviewing slides, writing reports, and typing up patients' results on the computer, which is tasking, by the way. But despite the challenges, I have to say pathology is a beautiful field. There's something about seeing diseases at cellular level that's just fascinating. Come join us, and thank you for watching.